I believe stand-ups are the single best. I don't care what stand-up it is. Now, if you learn on a 550, then you're a freaking champion. Well, I mean, I learned to ride on a 550. I'm not very good, but a 550 will make you a man. But I believe cutting your teeth on a stand-up will make you the single best watercraft rider, regardless of what watercraft you're on. Being a proficient stand-up rider will make you a phenomenal watercraft rider. Why do I say that? I say that because I believe lifelong motorcycle riders are some of the best car drivers, because motorcycle riders could die at any minute on our freeways, especially today with people on phones and people with full freaking digital screens taking up the whole center console. All right. Motorcycle riders have the utmost respect from me. Absolutely. So motorcycle riders, in my opinion, are almost always the best car drivers because they have the sharpest situational awareness. Bar none. Bar none. And that's why I transfer that over to stand-up riders. Stand-up riders can read the water better. Stand-up riders are always on a swivel. Stand-up riders are the most cognizant riders on the water. They are. All right. They're simply the most aware riders on the water. So you put them on a sit down, they're still thinking like a stand-up.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.